Multiple choice 1.2. Instructions. Listen to the audio and circle the modal verb that completes each statement. 1. CAM systems can simulate a production cycle, offering an estimated cycle time that engineers should use for quoting. 2. It is essential that CAM software must alert engineers of any potential tool collisions or interference. 3. Engineers should consider the visual representation of machine motion during simulation. 4. CAD drawings must be accurate and complete for successful CAM manufacturing. 5. CAM users should identify the work center specific material, tools, and work center settings.